Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3 on the topic of matching revision. I am repeating, today our topic is matching revision. Students, this is our 20th lecture and 19th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 20th lecture and 19th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. Today we will give revision on the topic of matching 1-2. So let's begin. Students, in our earlier class, that means in the class of matching, we have done matching 1-2, and today again we'll give revision on the topic matching. And here is our first matching and here is the second one. So we'll start with matching 1, and in your suggestion this one is in number 2, and in our class, that means earlier class of matching, we have done this one in number 2, but today we'll do it in number 1. Students, here we find two sides of this matching, and here this side some years are given and here some information are given, and we have to match in both sides and have to make some meaningful sentences. So first one is 1920, 1970, 1966, 1927, 1929, and on the other side, number A, Bangabandhu started school. Number B, Bangabandhu was admitted to the Gopalganj public school. Number C, the Awami League won in the election. Number D, Bangabandhu was born. Number E, Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand for the liberation. So now we have to match both sides. First we will start with number 1. Number 1 is 1920. We get the year, but can we guess what happened in 1920? We have to take the information from other side. So from all this information we find that Bangabandhu was born in 1920. This information is correct. So first we have to write the sequence 1 plus D. Look here, I have written 1 plus D. That means Bangabandhu was born in 1920. Student, first you have to write the sequence and then you have to write the full sentences. So number 1 will be 1 plus D and the sentence will be Bangabandhu was born in 1920. Now come to number 2. Here the year is 1970. And what can we get from this? What happened in 1970? Can you guess? Okay, look here. The Awami League won in the election. When? Yes, in 1970. So we have to write the sequence 2 plus C. Repeating again, 2 plus C and the sentence will be the Awami League won in the election in 1970. We can't write the year first because a sentence starts with subject, verb and object. So first we have to write subject, that means we have to write from other side, and then we have to include year. Now number 3. 1966. What happened in 1966? We know that in 1966 Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand for the liberation. So first we have to write the sequence. So the sequence will be 3 plus E, and the sentence will be Bangabandhu declared a 6-point demand for the liberation in 1966. Now come to question number 4. Here we find 1927 And we know that in 1927, Bangabandhu started school. We all know about Bangabandhu's life. Bangabandhu was born in 1920 and in 1927, Bangabandhu started school. So we find the information in number A. So we have to write the sequence 4 plus A, and the sentence will be Bangabandhu started school in 1927. And last one, we find the year 1929. And can you guess what happened in 1929 with Bangabandhu? Yes, here we find only one part left, and this one is number B. Bangabandhu was admitted to the Gopalganj public school. So here we'll find the sequence 5 plus B. The sentence is Bangabandhu was admitted to the Gopalganj public school. Students, I hope you can write the answer. It was your homework in earlier class, but most of the students do mistake in writing the sentences. So I hope you can answer it correctly. You have to write like this, first the sequence and then the full sentences. And students, now come to question number 2, that means matching 2. Students, in our earlier class we have done this one, that means this matching properly, and this one will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be matching 2. You can take the help of earlier lecture or with the help of your parents, you can do your homework. Don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 20 and homework number is 19, and the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPMRs on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.